Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can activate screen flash notification in Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first thing first, we can open our settings application in our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we can open the accessibility setting. Click on accessibility setting, and here we can select advanced settings right here and click on flash notification. And since we want to activate screen flash notification, we can click on screen flash notification right here. Click on the circle button to activate it, and here you can choose either you want to activate the screen flash notification for all your application, or you can also choose selected apps right here if you want to activate this flash notification for a specific application or a certain application. You can select this one, but for me, I'm just going to activate my screen flash notification for all my application. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate screen flash notification in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.